I'll show you how to make these 10 mouth-watering green Mediterranean diet recipes that will change the way you eat forever. Are you looking to add more green Mediterranean diet recipes to your meal rotation? Look no further! Here are 10 delicious recipes that are not only healthy, but also bursting with flavor. Starting off with a classic Greek salad packed with fresh vegetables, like tomatoes, cucumbers, and olives drizzled with olive oil and sprinkled with feta cheese. Next up, we have a refreshing tabbouleh salad made with bulgur wheat, parsley, mint, and tomatoes all tossed in a lemony dressing. For a heartier option, try our spinach and feta stuffed chicken breast, a protein-packed dish that's sure to satisfy your cravings. Or how about some grilled zucchini boats filled with quinoa, cherry tomatoes, and chickpeas, topped with a creamy tahini dressing? If you're in the mood for something lighter, whip up a batch of green pea and mint soup, a vibrant and velvety soup that's perfect for any time of year. For a quick and easy meal, try our Mediterranean veggie wrap filled with hummus, roasted red peppers, cucumbers, and fresh herbs. And don't forget about our roasted asparagus with lemon and parmesan, a simple yet elegant side dish that pairs perfectly with any main course. To satisfy your sweet tooth, indulge in a slice of pistachio and olive oil cake, a rich and moist dessert that's sure to impress your guests. And last but not least, sip on a refreshing green tea and cucumber cooler, a hydrating beverage that's perfect for a hot summer day. Which of these green Mediterranean diet recipes will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes.